Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Dropping eggs right now. We're gonna get her back. First frog of the year. Fish on, baby. Let's get down here, let's get down here, let's get down here, let's get down here. That's what I was afraid of. Show fish, show fish, show fish, show fish, show fish, show fish. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. Just got that nice female. Let's see if we can get a shot, and then we're gonna release her. A nice female. She's dropping eggs right now. We're gonna get her back. Hell yeah, that's what we came out here for. Now if we can find a male one, I might take it home. Let's get back out there. Well, I used to have a net, but today it looks more like a garbage bin. Yeah, the coolest thing ever. I've been wanting a pair of Crocs, you see, and as long as there's not a foot attached. Dang, now I only need to buy one. That's another shoe over there. It doesn't say Croc on it anywhere, but I mean, it's like gold right there. Shoot. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got one out. Oh, submarine in me. Submarine in me. Woo. Shit. 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 Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fighter. We got a fighter. We got a fighter. Oh, dang, 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 dang. We got us a fighter. Woo! Let's go. Come on. Is that all you got? Don't come on. He hammered it, you guys, and he is putting up one heck of a fight. Oh, stay down here, stay down here. Stay down here. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Up here, up here, up here, up here. No, 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 no. Yes, and it's a male. Oh, stay on that stick. Let's go. Yep, it's a male. Nice work, boy. Nice work. Stay, 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 stay. No, no, no. What? He ain't a quitter. He ain't a quitter. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. Where's he at? There he is. Big head shakes, big head shakes. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Look at that specimen of a fish. Let's go. I think you're going home with me, buddy. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, it was an epic day steelhead fishing. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.